welcome back to the YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be teaching you Cherry on Top by Beanie. And if you want to learn the dance, just keep on watching. Before we start, let's mirror this video. Ayun, mirrored na. So this is my left and this is my right. So yung first 8 natin, this is a preparatory move. So you can either do it, but you can also just skip this part. It's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So bend mo yung left leg mo and then yung right naman is naka-straight lang. And then both of your hands are going to go open, open, and then next you're going to close, close. Pagka-close mo ng hands mo, bibend mo naman yung right. Alternate. So left and then right and then left and then right. And then yung kamay naman is going to be single, single, double, double. Next you're going to close again, close and then open. And then next is down, tag. Lalagay mo yung right hand mo dito sa may ulo mo. Parang itong middle finger, it's on your forehead. Your left hand is on your waist. Like that. And then you're going to bow, bow, and then up. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 1, 2. Here you're going to bend your right and then you're going down, but your head is looking straight. Going to bend, then your body is kind of down, and then both of your hands are like this. This one, and then your middle finger, lalapit mo sila. Ito yung kamay. Going to go down. Pag down mo, itong right is naka-bend, and then yung left is naka-straight. And then both of your hands like that, down, and then you're going to turn and up. So pagka-turn mo ganyan, is going to go pa inside, inside, and then you're going up. And then pagkataas mo, itong left nyo naman yung mag-bend. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3. And the next is and X. So, i-X mong dalawang kamay mo. X, X. And then, after yan is tag. So, para mo siyang ipipitek ng onte. Pitek. And then, together with your chest. Tag. Ganyan. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next is 5. Going to take a step with your left. And then, yung left nyo na kamay, lalagay nyo siya dito sa may baba, sa may waist nyo. And then, yung right mo na kamay, you're going to turn behind your head. And the next is switch. Itong kamay mo, left, na dito siya sa baba, itataas mo lang siya. And then, patungo mo siya dito sa may bandang dibdib nyo, sa itaas. Right? Ganyan. And then, yung isa is nandito lang sa baba. And then, next is switch. Itong left nyo, ilalagay nyo siya dito sa may side. And then, yung isang kamay nyo naman, pupunta nyo siya dito sa may chest area nyo. And then, yung katawan nyo pala, from here, tag, going 1, kind of facing right, and then you're going to face left, and then you're going to face right again. Super slight lang. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, and the next is tag. So, ito yung parang meme sa TikTok na yung pitik ni Sheena. Hindi ko alam paano siya gawin, but you're going to go open and then close. So, from here, open, close. Yung chest nyo, up, and then balik. Again, up, close. Ulit natin from here. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 8, 7. Going to point with your left hand patungo dito sa right. And then while pointing is magsistep ka dito sa right mo. Step, and then you're kind of like going down. And then yung ulo niya naman is parang siyang paside ng onte. So, from here, 4, 3, 2, go. 7, and the next is 8. Yung right mo is i-close mo siya sa left. And then yung kamay naman is going to point and then kuha. So yung kamay, yung isa is nakaganito ka 5 and then kind of like going down and then para mo siyang kukunin. So tag and tag. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 8, 7, and the next is 6, 5. Diba, nakabend ka dito. Next naman is you're going to go up and then maghihil yung paa mo. So up. And then, yung kamay nyo naman is going to be like this. So, para kang happy. Okay, so from here, tag, going to go up, and then down. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 8, 7, 6, 5. Next is 4, 3, 2. Kamay mo, you're going to turn 3 times from here, down, and then up, and then down, up, down, up. Yung braso mo is para mo lang siyang ididikit dito sa katawan mo. So, 1, and then 2, and then 3. And then, yung hips mo naman is going to go 1, and then 2, and then 3. So, para siyang kasabay ng kamay mo. So, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, and 3. Yung pagka-3 naman is para siyang mag-fly away. So, di ba? Turn, and then turn. And then, pagka-turn dito is para mo siyang ipapupunta dito sa right. And the next is para mo siyang ipapupunta dito sa may left. So, it's kind of like from here, babalik mo siyang ganyan. Then, pagkabalik dito sa left is, i-extend mo talaga yung kamay mo. So, gaganyan mo siya. And then, you're going to take a step with your left. So, from here, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Ulit natin from here, 4, 3, 2, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Start from the top, balik tayo dito. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Tayo. From here, di ba, dito na yung last position. So, like that. 1, 2. Next naman is 5, 6. Yung buong katawan mo is i-face mo sa dito sa may left. And then, yung isang kamay mo naman, yung right mo is ibababa mo siya, nakaganyan. So, palm facing here on your right. Gaganyan ka. And then, yung left mo naman na kamay is nandito siya sa may waist mo. Yung countings para dito is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is you're going up. And then, pagka-up mo naman is yung isang kamay mo, ilalagay mo siya dito sa may ulo mo, like para kang may alam. Next naman, yung kamay mo, ito-turn mo siya, turn, and then haharap mo siya dito. Okay, so pag ganyan, yung turn mo, patungo dito, pa-inside, patalikod. Turn, and then, para kang may tinuturo dyan. 5, and then 6, and the next is 7. Next naman is ganito mo siya, same dun sa dito. But, nakaganyan ka, and then, pagkasikop mo ganyan is haharap ka dito sa my right. So, from here, point, and then 6, and then 7, 8. Punta mo dito is para kang like mag-up ng onte. So from here, 5, and then 6, and then 7. Ganyan, harap, and then down. Okay, so harap, and then down. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And balik tayo dito. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So, next naman is 1, and then 2, and so yung dito, yung kamay mo right, you're going to turn, patungo dito sa my left, turn, and then up, and then down. So, pagka-turn niya, turn, and then up. Pagka-up is nakaganito na ulit yung kamay mo, yung sa pinakauna, yung cherry. So, 1, and then 2, and then up. Yung paa mo naman is going to go 1, so you're going down, and then yung paa mo, di ba nakayuto ka, yung right mo, para mo siyang ipapunta sa harap. So, 1, up, and then 2, tuwang down. Una, 1, and then turn, and then up, and then you're going up again. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, and pagka-down mo is itong left mo is ilalagay mo siya sa ilalim ng right. Ganyan. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 8, and 7, and next is 6. 5, going to take a step with your right, and then close mo siya sa left. And then yung balikat mo naman is going to go up, and then down, and then up, and then down. So, yung pagka-up mo, pagka-step mo dito sa right, up, and then down, and then pagka-step mo ulit is i-up mo ulit siya. 4, 3, 2, go. 8, and 7, and 6. 5, dito pala sa paa is hindi mo siya close totally. So, tag, and the next is itong right mo, ikot mo siya behind your head, and then pagkatapos niyan is dito siya mapupunta sa may left mo. So nakaganyan ka na, and yung katawan mo is para kang haharap dito sa may left. Tag, and turn, tag. Ulit tayo dito and balik sa una. 4, 3, 2, go. 8, 7, and 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ulit tayo dito. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is 1, 2. So, di ba yung kamay mo is nakaganito? So, naka-cherry on top pa rin siya, and then nakaganyan. So, yung palms mo facing upward, and then you're kind of like facing here on your right. And the next is, pipitik mo siya pa down. 1, and then 2. And while doing that is yung butt mo naman is up din. So, 1, and then 2. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, and the next is 3, 4. So, magsi-step ka lang, i-X mo lang yung paa mo, starting with your left, and then, isi-step mo yung right. So, magsi-step ka sa left, and then, isi-step mo din yung right. Then, yung katawan mo is nakaharap lang. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, and then 3. So, pag ganito pala is yung kamay mo, kunin mo na siya and pupunta mo siya sa side. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is you're going to turn. And pagka-turn mo is nakaharap ka na dito sa likod, and then yung kamay mo naman, papunta mo siya dito sa may butt nyo, and then nakagito siya, so open yung palms. And then next is you're going to circle your butt from left to right. Left to right. 4, 3, 2, go. Left to right. And then next is you're going to face in front. So pag face nyo naman, itong kamay nyo, yung right nyo is papupunta nyo sa harap. And then while doing that is yung left nyo naman is nakaganito siya sa itaas. So from here, left to right, and then face, ganyan. Ulit tayo from here. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next is kikambot ka ng 2 beses starting dito sa my right. 1, so from here, going to go up and then down, and then up ulit and then down. And then dito naman sa my left. So 1 and then 2. Okay, ang kamay mo nakaganyan lang. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 1 and 2. And the next is 3. So, yung kamay mo, naka-cherry pa din. Papunta mo siya sa taas, 3. And the next is 4. So, pagkapunta sa taas, di ba? 1, 2, and then 3. And then, pagkatapos niyan, isiharap mo siya, harap. Di ba, nakatalikod siya. So, ihaharap mo siyang ganyan. At the pagkatapos niyan is going to turn in front. So, yung pagkaharap nyo is magsisimula kayo dito sa right, and then left. Okay? So, step first with your right, and then left. And then, yung kamay nyo naman from here is isi-circle nyo lang siya. Circle, and then switch. So, yung pagka-circle yung ganyan, yung right nyo is pupunta nyo sa likod, and then pupunta ulit sa harap. And then, nakaganito ka. So, para kang nilalagnat. Ganyan. And the next is 7, 8. Dito pala is para ka ding mag-up. 7, 8. Yan. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counting is parang naiba, but sundan nyo lang ako. So, dito tayo simula. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4. Going down, and then para mong itataas itong left mo, and then yung right hand mo naman is pataas din siya. So, 1, ganyan ka, patungo ka dito sa my left, and then yung kamay mo pala is nakakamaulas lang dalawa. So, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, and the next is you're going to switch. 2, okay? Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, and the next is 3. Yung left mo na kamay, i-open mo lang siyang ganyan, and then titingnan mo siya. So, 1, 2, 3, and the next is para mo siyang i-appear, and then papunta sa itaas yung kamay mo. So, appear and then up. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next is 7, 8. So, sa paa mo, you're just going to take a little step. So, 1, 2. And the next is itong left hand mo is papunta mo siya dito sa likod. Ka-turn mo, pagkalagay mo dito sa side is para kang mag-open ng onte sa paa mo. So ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next is, uulitin na natin yung cherry on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ulit tayo from the top. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa pinakauna, and then slow music tayo. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is it for today's video, and I hope that you learned something. And if you do, please don't forget to click on subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post something new. Also, I have many other tutorials on my channel like Pantropico Dance Break, Pantropico, and many more. You can just check them out. And I also have a TikTok account at Ann_Binsig where I post dance covers, dance tutorials, and like a slow and weird. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye-bye!